Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset Pi Network app password. So first step is uninstall Pi Network app from your phone and download it again from the Play Store. Open the Pi Network app and click on continue with phone number. Now input your country, your region code and put your phone number. Then click go. Now you will be asked to enter your password. At this point, click on password forgotten. Then click on recover account. Now you will be asked to enter your phone number in the international format. Start with a plus including the country code, then click submit. Now you have to click on manual instruction. It will generate a 6-digit code to send to USA or UK number via SMS. Now make sure you send the SMS with the same number in case of dual SIM after you send the text message. Then go back to your Pi app and click on I have sent the text. Click on setup password. You will be asked to enter a new password of your choice. And after that you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.